Welcome! Kodi is one of the most popular apps to install on a Fire TV stick due to its many free add-ons and builds. These provide unlimited free entertainment with movies, TV shows, music, and games. Kodi is not available from the Amazon App Store, so we have to sideload it with a free app called Downloader. There are currently many Kodi builds available for installation. Since Kodi is constantly updating, improving the app, there is usually a development build available for users to test out. Step 1. Install the free Downloader app. The Downloader app provides the easiest way of installing Kodi on the Fire TV stick. 1. Open the search bar from your main menu. 2. Search for Downloader. 3. Choose the Downloader app. 4. Click Download or Get. 5. Wait for the app to install. 6. You will be notified when installation has finished. Step 2. Turn on unknown sources. We must enable unknown sources to install Kodi due to the fact that it's not available in the Amazon App Store. 1. Return to the home screen to hover over Settings and click My Fire TV. 2. Choose Developer Options. Important, please see the notes below if you don't see developer options on your screen. 3. Click Install Unknown Apps. 4. Find the Downloader app and click it. 5. This will turn unknown sources to on for the Downloader app and enable side loading on your device. Developer options not available. If you are unable to locate developer options within settings, follow the instructions below to enable this to use the Downloader app. 1. Hover over the settings icon and click My Fire TV. 2. Click About. Notice developer options is missing. 3. Hover over Fire TV stick and click the OK button on your remote 7 times to become a developer. 4. Click the back button on your remote and you will notice developer options is now showing within My Fire TV. You are now able to continue to the next step to install Kodi on Firestick. Step 3. Install Kodi 21.1 on Firestick. In this step, you will install Kodi on your Fire TV stick through the Downloader application. 1. Launch the Downloader app. 2. Select the URL menu bar to open the keyboard. 3. Input 250931, the downloader code for the TroyPoint toolbox. Then click Go. 4. You will then encounter a redirect page. 5. You are then met with the TroyPoint toolbox home screen. 6. Scroll down to find your preferred version of Kodi and click Download. Kodi 21.1 Omega is the most current stable release. Note, one of the best reasons to use the TroyPoint toolbox to install Kodi on Firestick is because of the TroyPoint Kodi fork. Using a fork allows you to have 2 variations of Kodi on your device if you want to test add-ons, builds on the pre-release version while still using the stable version for streaming. 7. After making your selection, wait for the app to download. 8. Click Install. 9. You will then encounter Kodi Ready to Launch message. 10. Click Done. 11. Click Delete to get rid of Kodi installation file. 12. Click Delete again to confirm. Kodi is now installed on your Fire TV stick, Fire TV Cube. Enjoy! Step 4. Move Kodi to Firestick Home Screen 1. Click Shortcut to the left of gear icon to open page that displays all Firestick apps. 2. Highlight Kodi and press the menu button on your Firestick remote. Choose Move. 3. Move Kodi to the top of your apps list and click to drop the Kodi icon. Click to launch Kodi. 4. Click Continue. 5. Click Allow for Kodi to record audio. 6. Click Allow for Kodi to access storage. 7. Kodi is now ready to be used on your Amazon Fire Stick, Fire TV Cube, Fire TV or Fire TV television. We wish you have fun. If you want to help us by following us for similar information and updates, press the like button, comment, and subscribe to our channel. You will make us happy. May you have beautiful, healthy days.